I'm making me a liver mush and egg sandwich, y'all. Hi, I got my friends down here. I got Rush and Spanky. Are you helping? Got my toasters ready. I fixed it a little too early, but liver mush is only good if it's cut really, really thin and fried really, really good. Get it fried. Fry it good. See how thin it is? Have to wait till it gets crispy to turn it over. That way it won't break apart. Sometimes it breaks apart and I just put it back on the sandwich and just build it back up. But I'll be right back. I'm going to put some mayonnaise on the bread. Okay, I got my mayonnaise on my bread. I know y'all know what liver mush looks like, right? It comes in like a loaf, and you slice it. And some people slice it too thick, I think. So this thin right here is good. It's starting to get a little better for me to flip it over. And like I said, sometimes it breaks. It's just the way it is. Try to keep it in one piece. But it's so yummy, it doesn't matter. Just flip these over. And I don't know, I need to scrub that off my stove. Y'all don't judge. I've had bronchitis for a month. So I've just been doing the best I can around here. What you want? He said, I want some liver mush. We live in a house that needs a lot of work and stuff. But we're going to get to that too. Me and my husband I'm 52 and he's, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm 52, he's 61. And today's our anniversary. It's 2/22/22. And we met on 2/22/02. Think about that for a minute. We're still in love, still crazy about each other. Today he's gone to the port down there in Charleston. He's a truck driver. Don't you start whining down there. He's a truck driver taking some metal scrap down to Charleston port. He gets up at 3 o'clock in the morning and leaves. And gets down there about this time. Well, actually he gets done about this time. It's about 11 a.m. And he's usually pulling out of there with an empty. So he can come back and get some more. Alright, that's about ready. I'm going to cut that off. And all I do is stack this liver mush on here. Just lay it on that mayonnaise. Just like I like it. My little puppy down here is like, please drop the piece. I love liver mush. Just build it up. I might save him this last piece. Yes, I'm going to put this off to the side for the puppy. Right there it is. I'm going to lay this cheese on here so it'll start to melt a little bit. I'm going to get me a little bit of butter. I'm trying to do this and hold the camera too, so this isn't how I normally do stuff, but I mean, I'm awkward, but not that awkward. Alright, let's put a little butter in here. Crank that stove back up to heat, about medium high. Get me an egg. Let's see if we can do this with one hand. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Oh, sure. I busted, but I want it busted. So that's good. I saved my eggshells for the puppies. Just put them in a bowl and wash them later. And then I dry them out and put them in the blender for calcium for the dogs. And let me get a spatula. Here's one. It's not for non-stick, but I'll be careful. Put some salt and pepper on here. Salt and pepper. Let's see. pepper. There we go. Fried nice in some butter. What you think down there, Spanky? He's a happy dog, yes. He's a happy dog. I got another one over here. He's a happy Howie dog. Alright. Get this fried crispy. I like mine a little crispy. Not too shabby. There we go. I'm going to beat this bronchitis that I've had a month. Kind of crept up on me. I'm usually seriously healthy. I mean, for the most part, anyway. I think. I don't go see doctors much. You just try home remedies and old school, you know. Alright, fry. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Busted and broken, but it's okay. It's pretty. It's like me, busted and broken. Like I said, don't judge my stove. I just got up this morning and did the best I could yesterday. This morning, I just need me a Livermush and egg sandwich to start my day. The puppy says, that's what I need too, Mama. That's what I need too, Mama. Don't judge our house. It's a mess. We have to do a lot of, we got to redo our floors and ceilings and everything. We'll get to it. Alright, this is about done. Go ahead and cut my burner off and pretty firm and everything. Since it was just a little bit of butter, it's not too greasy. And I'll put it on here. My Livermush is under there. And there you go. Livermush and fried egg sandwich. Look how beautiful that is. So I'm going to cut it in half and go sit down. And there's my piece for my puppies. Y'all have a good day. Talk to you later.